All right, I'm in downtown Old San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the beautiful, colorful building facades remind me a lot of Cartagena. Yo pienso que los edificios enfrentes son similares a Cartagena, Colombia. A lot of people out today as they're happy that we're coming off of 3 days of rain straight and it finally stopped raining to enjoy the beauty that downtown Old San Juan has to offer. Wow, look at that building. I like these old streets. So if you go to the ultimate point of Old San Juan, you get to the fort, and I walked that a few days ago, Fort Moro, and it's a beautiful site, and it's actually considered one of the U.S. national parks in the national park system, because of course this is the United States, never forget. A lot of people do. You don't need a passport to come here. They use the US dollar. And about 20% of people speak English.
Yeah, in the back. It leaks, so that's why she wants that to be.
All right, I'll wrap this up here.